Aloha, Katie. How are you?
Aloha!
So excited that you will be arriving in a few days.
I can't wait.
I know
It's just the time has flown by.
it has. It has. So I have a lot of people coming to the workshop. The readings are filled, people. If you want to get on the wait list, then send me an email or a text. But all the readings are filled, Katie. But the
Wow.
workshop, we have a couple of spaces. And a lot of people have been asking me, what will they be experiencing? I know a lot of fun because you have a wicked sense of humor.
Well, learning is all about fun with me. And this time, with the 2020 and all the new energy, what I'm hoping to do is get them further on their path, whether they're starting out or whether they're an experienced reader. We're going to be looking at all the psychic tips that will help them grow on their journey even faster. I'm going to throw in some palm reading tips. I'm going to get them practicing their skills, but at no stage will they feel uncomfortable because I'm not that person. They can share as much as they want or as little, but I do guarantee they will move forward.
Oh, yes. And those that have been before know it's a lot of fun and it's interactive. You're not going to be sat bored for hours. You are going to be playing in high vibrational energy with this beloved teacher who is rocking it. I mean, I know you've got on this new psychic magazine, right, Katie?
It is the biggest magazine in Australia, and I feel blessed and honoured that they decided to put me on the cover. They
Wow.
paid for a photo shoot, sent me off, and then it went on the cover, and I was just like, wow,
Yeah.
because I've won, awards for my work, and I just feel really blessed that they're honouring that. So yeah, I'm excited to come over and see you all.
Well deserved. And we are truly blessed that we don't have to travel outside of Hawaii. We have you all to ourselves. So if you're wanting to do something this weekend and it's resonating with you, send me a message and bring a friend. We still have a few spaces for Saturday. That's from 10 to 4. So thanks, Katie. Have a safe flight and we'll be ready
Thank
to
you.
celebrate your birthday too.
Yes, it's Valentine's baby, so I'm really excited about that.
Yeah.
And look, I know how it goes with readings. Uh, I sell out wherever I go, and if there is, time or someone cancels, do put yourself on the list because it may even be that we open up some new time slots. Just depends on how we go.
Yeah, we never know. So contact me anyway. Katie, have a safe flight and we'll
Thank
see
you.
you Saturday. Lots
It's just going so quick. I'm excited to see you all too.
to lots of love and aloha.
Aloha.